Hi everyone, this is Alpha Tech. So today we are going to be seeing the 5 best budget smartphones available for this Diwali offer. So let's hop in the video and let's check out the phones. So the fifth phone on this list is Samsung A03s. Samsung A02 has a awesome Infinity V Display 6.5 display, and it has awesome camera, 15 megapixel or 13 megapixel camera, 2 micro MP camera, and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. It also has quad core processor for intense gaming. It has a long lasting battery, 5000 mAh battery, that is all day long. It has awesome matte finish on its back. It's the Samsung A02 worth buying phone. Samsung A02 is available for 11,900 and it comes in two variants, 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM, or you can get it for 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. This phone can be available in any mobile store for up to 12k. It's a worth buying phone, that's why I've kept it fifth on the list. Fourth one on this list is Realme Narzo 50A. Realme Narzo comes in oxygen green, 18-volt fast charger, C-type cable. It has Helio G85 processor for gaming, ultra smooth gaming, 6000 mAh battery for mega battery life, extreme use, 6.5 large display for intense gaming, 18-volt fast charger, and it also has the sleek design, 50 MB triple camera for OP shots at night and day. And this phone is completely filled with power. It has 50A. It's the best phone. I recommend it. That's why it's on the fourth place on this list. Realme Narzo is worth buying phone. It comes with 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM. It comes at least 12,500 in market range. This phone is extremely good and easy in handle. It's worth buying phone. That's why it's fourth on the list. The third one is none other than the Oppo A31. The Oppo A31 has 4GB RAM, 128GB ROM, 48 megapixel camera, a decent design, 8 megapixel selfie camera, and it comes with other variants such as 6GB RAM or 128GB ROM. It's 11,500 in market. That's why it's on the third place of this video's list. Second one on this list is Poco M2. Poco M2 has a 16.58 cm full HD display, ultra sleek gaming for the power of FTW. It has a 5000 mAh battery, 18 fast charger. It has a 13 megapixel quad camera for AI photo capturing, 8 megapixel selfie camera, and it has built for gaming, MediaTek G80 for ultra processing game, and it has a 6GB RAM. That's why it's 4. This phone comes, that's why, in second place of this list. This phone comes in India around 4GB RAM for 10,000 rupees and 6GB RAM variant for around 11,000 rupees. That's why this is on the second place, and there are many features of this, so please go check it out and do. There are extreme offers from Poco in this time. First but not the best, but the only best in this category is from Samsung M12. Talking about Samsung M12 or the monster reloaded Samsung M12, this is the reloaded phone of Samsung, which comes with a lot of new features. It comes with Samsung most efficient 8mg processor. It comes with 90Hz display. It comes with 48 megapixel quad camera, 6000 mAh massive battery, 15 volt fast charger, and obviously a full HD experience for you to use this phone. This phone is reloaded. This phone of Samsung. This has extremely OP gaming performance, 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM and 2.8 core processor. Its cameras are extremely good, 48 megapixel for daylight, for true colors, and especially the sensors of it are extremely good. A 5 MP ultra wide lens, and you can have live focus mode anywhere you want. And it has a 2 MP quad micro camera, 8 megapixel selfie camera. This camera is also reloaded, and with a 90Hz V display, this phone is extremely full HD quality with Samsung's matte grey finish that allows you for ultra sleek design. It has two Gorilla Glass protection glasses for Gorilla Glass protection. All the three phones in color are extremely good. It has Android 11, the latest Android. This is the monster reloaded Samsung M12. So talking about this market price, it comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. It comes around 11,500. But in Diwali you get special offers. Please check out Samsung store or Amazon Flipkart. This phone is monster reloaded. You can get extreme offers. I recommend this phone very much, so I've kept it first on the place.